When you work with someone just because you want their money, you are being unethical. Dan Lok. Thank you so much for that quote and FU money, Dan. I really appreciate you because you really opened my eyes and made me see something. You know, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, if this is your first time coming to my channel, God bless you. Thank you so much. Do me a favor and in the comments tell me, how did you find my channel and what's your name? What's my name, y'all? Liberty, justice. With my mind on my money and my money on my mind to show you that you are infinite in value. So, check it out. Whenever I go to the store and I end up talking to an employee, I always say, you're worth it, you don't have to do this or whatever, right? I used to. But, you know, anyway, they're not going to listen. If people want to feel more worthy and do things, they're going to do it, right? I'm just a leader. I'm the example. I am the excuse eliminator, my friends. But check it out. I used to do that. And you know what the number one thing people would say to me is, well, it's a paycheck. And I heard one woman say, I don't care what the customer says or does, and I don't care about my employees. And the reason is I asked her, I said, where's so-and-so, this lady, and she used to work in Columbia. I asked this question, South Carolina, when I was there. And you know what she said? I only care about one thing, and that is my paycheck. And I hear that from a lot of people, not as quite as harsh as that. Usually it's just like, well, I'm just here because I need a paycheck. It's security because they know they have that amount coming in every month or whatever. It's because they're insecure, right? They don't like other people, because if they did, they would go and talk to them. You ever go to a store where people are running away from you, or they're staring at you but they're not coming to you and asking if you need some assistance? No, they don't, because they don't like themselves. They are there, like I said, for the paycheck. Now, when you go and do something because you just want the paycheck, or you deal with certain people and the way they treat you, whether it's badly or whatever, it's because that is unethical. That is unethical to be somewhere and take money just because it is money, and put up with certain things and do certain things, or not do certain things like caring for other people just because you want the paycheck. So think about that. You are infinite value. Thank you. Make sure you comment. Thank you, Dan Lok. You are infinite in value. My name is Liberty V Justice. No period in my V, because my victories never end. Yours will have to either, my friends.